just a baby storm. And probably the last one for the year. Because as we all know, hurricane season is coming to an end. But yeah, no, it's not as bad as Ian was. But blew some trees down. Or branches, I should say. And we never lost power either, like they said was gonna happen. So yeah, starting to get the feeling that maybe we shouldn't worry about the storms when the news people say we're gonna have a really bad storm or a number one. This isn't even a one. This is a normal every year tropical storm. This is what this was. But no flooding, no nothing, thank God, this time. But this is a normal every year. I missed the brunt of it, of course, because it had to happen at 1 o'clock in the morning, and no matter how hard I tried to stay awake for it, to record it, that didn't happen. So this is all I got for you guys. I'm sorry, but this is Ghost Mama Adventure 4x4, just showing you the tropical storm. I don't even think it made it to a Cat 1, to be honest with you, like they were saying. But yeah, tropical storm Nicole. This is all we got. At least as far as I know, because like I said, 1 o'clock I was sleeping. So, but yeah, this is the last little bit of it. It's supposed to be done about 10 o'clock, I believe, today. So, sorry it's nothing big, nothing exciting, no, tornadoes or, thunder, lightning. But, yeah, no. This is Hurricane Nicole, supposedly. But it's more tropical Nicole. This happens every year in Florida. This is nothing new to us. So, anyway, this one's going to be a short one, guys, because there's really nothing to see. Like I said, nothing really happened. Pretty much, it's just your normal every year tropical storm that we get in Florida. So it's really nothing. Everybody's still intact, But yeah, like I said, this is just another tropical storm. The news hyped it up like they normally do. See, nothing special about the clouds. Nothing. I don't think even a tornado happened. They said one was supposed to happen, but I don't even see that any signs of one anyway. So like I said, this is nothing. This is our every year, you know, our every year tropical storm. So, but I just wanted to let everybody know we are A-okay, we are safe, we are sound. We didn't even lose power. So, yeah. Anyway, like I said, peace. Peace out, you guys. I love you. And I'll see you the next adventure. Bye. Ghost Mama Fam Adventure 4x4 here. Please, if you liked my little short, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bell to let me know and YouTube know that you liked my video. Anyway, again, this is Ghost Mama Fam 4x4 Adventure. I love you. Peace out.